Good morning, guys. Today we've got here Ulefone Power Armor 18, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select security, and now go to face and fingerprint unlock. Firstly, you will have to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be, for example, pattern. So enter the pattern, tap on next, and then re-enter it just to confirm. Here you can manage notification content, and now just click on fingerprint. Tap on more, agree, and as you can see, fingerprint sensor is located on your power button, so all you have to do is to keep tapping here till your fingerprint is fully added. You can observe the progress on your screen, so just lift your finger up and place it on the sensor till it is added completely. And that's it. Now tap on done, and as you can see, from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Obviously you can also use the backup pattern that you have. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.